Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we got another part reaction. We got Zander Mitchell Dial Tone. I think Dial Tone is like a wheel company, like a obscure like wheel company. I think I saw him I was scrolling the Theories website for some to look at their stuff, and I think they're part of like that distribution whole thing. That's pretty much all I know about Dial Tone. I think I saw maybe another one of their videos. They had like a little team edit with a bunch of their writers, but that's pretty much all I've seen of them. I don't remember this guy's name, Zander Mitchell, when I watched that video. So this is probably going to be another repeat of the last part reaction I posted. Pretty much going into this with no information of the skater in the part. So I'm hoping that I walk away from here with another name to look out for in the industry. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. We got Dial Tone.
That's what I'm fucking talking about.
Let me turn this down a little bit. Right there, yeah. Zander Mitchell with the. Do you have a Dime t-shirt on? Yeah. Dime soccer jersey. We love Dime. We love Dime. That hat. What's the hat? Something store. I don't know. You know, we got the 8mm footage with the freshly shitted VX fisheye. That was gonna be some real shit. Okay, flip back nose grind 180. All right. Okay, hold on. What the fuck on it? Are those Asics with the shoe goo on it? Oh, all black leather Asics. Black Air Force One Asics. Okay. We got switch front shove, switch back nose grind back 180. All right. Varial heel. Front 5-0 180. Kick with front nose grind. The switch flip. Fakey 5-0 180. Nollie flip. Scanned it. Hold on. It's getting the Death Wish board. Looks like. Hold on, let me slow this down. Slow this shit down. Run that shit back. Let me see. Let's see what's up with it. Death Wish board. Run the Death Wish board. Okay, you got the. You say you can get up too. Even just a little itty bitty ledge skater, you can get up too. All right, with the no slide 50. Nollie crook with the back, quick little backside flip. Back nose grind shove. Front pop front nose grind 180 out. Switch tray. Okay, this guy loves the nose grind 180 variations. The switch nose grind 180, nose grind 180, back nose grind 180. Got a nose grinder. Okay. Nose heel out. Back tail 270 shove. Okay. Hold on, let me see that. Run that shit back. That nollie heel, nollie front heel, 180 nose grind. Switch heel with the music. Hold on, the music cut out on that one. Okay. That's a little different take on it. Usually fucking this for Tom Knox here, he'd slow-mo that shit. But we got the music cut out and the drop on the landing. Switching it up. We got a front shove 5-0. Okay, we quit pausing. We let it run. 5-0 180. Molly flip to regular. Nollie over here on the hip. All right. Back to a ride down into the freeway. Back nose one. Fakey tray. Is that Flushings? I don't know. Back when 80 nose grind. Krug. Got the Suski with the fakey Manny. Front shove 5-0. Okay. It's a fakey. Okay. Fucking up too slow. Like stared at it. That was a nice little nollie. Not gonna lie. He got hit us with the fucking. He is with the fucking Manny Santiago, Mickey Papa. The Vario Heel 5-0.
Poutine, a boot. That's what I'm talking about.
Straight Canadian shit. Only 185-0. Switch back heel. Okay. Nollie Varial heel. What's that? What's that? Fakey Varial heel switch 5-0. Blacksmith on the truck. I love lines like that. Skating the cars. I was seeing people skate cars. Nollie flip.
That's what I'm fucking talking about.
The heel out. He's talking about it. Okay. The cellar door, alright. Okay, then a little fishy with the legs. You know he had a power slide. Backsmither on the with the backside flip. Only 180 over the stairs and rail. Crook roll down. Back tail. And the fakie. Nollie Trey Manny. Okay, backsmith front shove. Like Nollie 180. Nose grind. Okay. Fuck it up both ways. Back nose grind. Or the what is this? The flushing for ants. The micro flushing. Damn. Hate shit like that. Ooh. No slide. 270 flip out. Dope. From that ender too. Yeah, ender. Alright, that was pretty good watch overall, I would say. Just more just tech ledge skating and shit with Manny's. Not as much like training and stuff, but overall still pretty good. Yeah, shout out boy Tristan, Josh, Eric, Andy on the filming, and yeah, Zander Mitchell, pretty good, pretty good. Tell me what you guys thought about it in the comments below, and yeah, without further ado, guys, see ya, peace.